Hello friends, this is Sanjay Kurkure. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sanjay Kurkure English Academy. Friends, today I am presenting the video related to a very important topic, summary writing. In your question paper pattern, there is section 4. Its title is non-textual passage. In question 4, part A is related to non-textual passage and part B is related to summary writing. Summary writing has the weightage of 5 marks. Now let us start. Summary writing is explained. Definitions, synonyms, meanings, features, significance, steps, and do's and don'ts. Now let us see the definitions of summary. सारांश याची आपण व्याख्या बघूया. Number 1, a short clear description that gives the main facts or ideas about something. Second definition, a summary is a short account of something giving the main points but not the details. Synonyms of summary: सारांश, summary, precis, gist, nub, synopsis and resume. संक्षेप, summary, brevity, candela, compression, abridgment and curtailment. संक्षिप्त, brief, compact, concise, succinct and summary. In short, the brief paragraph including all the important points is called summary. Translations of summary: सारांश, summary, सारांश, संक्षेप, संक्षिप्त, थोडक्यात सर्व मुद्द्यांचा अंतर्भाव असलेला. प्रेसिस, संक्षेप, सारांश चा संक्षेप सांगणे, गोषवारा करणे. जिस्ट, सारांश, सार, मुख्य मुद्दा. नब, सारांश. सिनॉप्सिस, सारांश, रूपरेषा. समेशन, बेरीज, सारांश. रेज्यूम, सारांश, फिरून आरंभ करणे, गोषवारा. डॉकेट, सारांश, गोषवारा, गोषवारा काढून लिहिणे. दस्तऐवजावर आतील मजकूर किंवा विषय दर्शवणारा शेरा, गोषवाऱ्यासह शेरा असलेले एकत्र केलेले कागद. In summary writing, the skills of reading, understanding and writing are tested. सारांश लेखनात वाचन, आकलन व लेखन या कौशल्यांची चाचणी घेतली जाते. Summary writing enables the learner to do skimming. सारांश लेखन शिकणाऱ्यास जलद गतीने वाचन करण्यास सक्षम बनविते. Summary writing enables the learner to overview and shortens the ideas without inserting his or her opinions, interpretations, deductions or comments. सारांश लेखन शिकणाऱ्यास खालील बाबींसाठी सक्षम करते: त्याची स्वतःची मते, त्याने लावलेले अर्थ, अंदाज किंवा टिप्पण्या न घालता विहंगावलोकन करणे आणि परिच्छेदात असलेल्या कल्पनांना संक्षिप्त किंवा लहान करणे. सिग्निफिकन्स ऑफ समरी रायटिंग. इट मीन्स इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ समरी रायटिंग. Summary writing is the best way of checking the following abilities: reading, skimming, comprehension, and writing. Summary writing helps the reader to get the main topic and sequences. Summary writing saves the time. Summary writing is the short paragraph revealing the main idea. Summary writing is the organized reproduction of the idea thought expressed in the assigned passage. Summary writing avoids the details. How to write summary? Number 1. Use simple present or simple past tense. Number 2. Skim the assigned text or passage. Number 3. Read the passage thoroughly. Number 4. Focus on the main topic carefully. Number 5. Select the important point and neglect unimportant points. Number 6. Reread to get the perfect and clear idea of the topic. Number 7. Try to find the keyword. Use keywords or phrases. Number 8. Decide what is important and what isn't important. Number 9. Write the sentences depicting the main idea by using proper conjunctions. Number 10. Give a suitable title to the summary. Change in the person should be done according to the need of the text. For example, if I is used, I means first person, instead of I, he or she, or the name or surname of the author, it means third person should be used. Number 10. Write the conclusion. Number 11. Give the appropriate title to the paragraph of summary writing. Now let us see the points regarding to do's and don'ts of summary writing. At first, the points of do's. Write summary in your own words. In summary, all the points should be touched. Do compare the summary with the assigned text or passage. Check the accuracy of the summary. Use appropriate language. Use grammar correctly. Now let us see the points related to don'ts. Don't copy the sentences as they are given. Don't give own examples and explanations. Don't insert your own opinions. Don't repeat the points. Don't give the unnecessary details.